In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download music from SoundCloud. If you want to save SoundCloud content for offline listening without installing additional software, using a third-party website with a SoundCloud downloader is a convenient option. However, it's essential to be cautious as third-party sites come with security risks similar to browser extensions. So, we're gonna use Click Add. Begin by locating the song or other content you wish to download on SoundCloud. Once you found it, copy the URL from the address bar. Open your web browser and navigate to the website of a third-party downloader, such as Click Add. On the downloader website, locate the designated area where you can paste the SoundCloud URL. Paste the copied URL into the field, then select Download to initiate the download process. After selecting the download option, the downloader website will process the URL and begin downloading the SoundCloud content to your device. Once the download is finished, you can check your device's storage to find the song you downloaded. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.